Do you need to remove seller feedback on your Amazon seller account? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do exactly that. I'm Dylan from AMZ Joy. Let's jump into this video. Okay, starting off, to preface this video, seller feedback is different to product reviews. It's basically a rating system against the seller. So it has to relate to the seller itself. Now, first, I'm going to show you how to find this section. On our Seller Central page, head over to the menu, click Performance, and then click Feedback Manager. And here you'll be able to see what ratings have been left for your account and the comments that were left. Now you can see that I already have some crossed out, which means they were removed. And you can see the rating was actually 1 star. Now in this example, or what you see here, this is because I use FBA. So this person just left the comment creases, which I would assume that's from the way it was shipped. Now, because this was a FBA order, Amazon takes responsibility for that. So these are a little harder to remove if it's FBM because you're more responsible for the packaging. But either way, you could have some that have a rating of 1 and it's more like a product review. So it should really be on the product page, not in your seller feedback. So if you come here quickly, you can get a better idea of why the feedback can be removed, like why it would go against Amazon policy. And to just give you a quick run through, I'll leave this link in the description below. So promotional content, if they post any links, offensive language, if they're rude, abusive or illegal content, pretty much the same thing. Personal information, content likely to impede on intellectual property, pricing feedback. This includes feedback about the price of the item or delivery, and product reviews. You should review products on their product detail page. So you actually have like a pretty good start at getting the feedback removed because a lot of the negative feedback is usually a product review. So I'm going to show you how to do this. All you're going to do is on the ones that are rated 1 or 5 and below, 4 and below, click this arrow over here and select request removal. Now, a lot of the times they're automatically removed, but if they're not, you're then going to have to open a case with Amazon. And in the description below, I've left 2 templates for you. So one is a template for a review. So it looks like there's a review as the comments. And one is for FBA reasoning. So basically the shipping through FBA if it was damaged or whatnot. And all you need to do is enter in your order ID that you can find here. And then also the feedback comment, which can also be found here. And then you'll be able to post this in a reply, kind of like a seller support case. And then just keep following up on it, following up on it, following up on it. And then what we're essentially doing with this is saying that, hey, this comment is actually against the feedback policy, so please remove it. Now, it's not 100% success rate, but it's going to give you a much better chance than doing nothing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped. I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy.